Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make a biryani masala or a all-purpose curry powder. It's also called biryani masala or a garam masala. In our cafeteria, the head chefs make an all-purpose curry powder. Only one powder they use for everything. It tastes so delicious. Let's see what are the secret ingredients they use to add. I'm going to reveal all the small little bit tips and secrets. Let's see the first thing is the amount of ingredients adding in the powder is very important. So that gives this secret, that is a secret recipe actually. Everyone knows all the ingredients, but the amount of them you are adding in the powder is very important. Let's see how to make a perfect masala for biryani and other non-veg items. So let's see. 10 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of fennel seed, 10 red chili, uh, 2 tablespoon of cloves, 3 tablespoon of cardamom, 2 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 5 kapok seeds, and 5 black cardamom, 2 nutmeg flower, and 1 tablespoon of rockweed. Next, 1 tablespoon of pepper, black pepper, 5 tablespoon of cilantro seeds or coriander seeds, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and 2 tablespoon of poppy seeds. These are the perfect proper ingredients for making a perfect biryani masala. So now let us roast it in a dry pan, non-stick pan, and I'm going to grind it in a blender. So I always make my biryani masala homemade. I never buy in a store because for the freshness. So let's see what we are going to do next. So now I'm frying the cilantro seeds. Then add red chili, and add the bay leaves, add the star anise, 5 star, 4 to 5 star anise. I add 4 star anise, and 5 black cardamom, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, cinnamon and cloves amount should be equal. Kapok buds, nutmeg flower, now you can add the cardamom and cloves, you have to add the ingredients in an order because each ingredient should be fried in a particular temperature for particular time. So add all the ingredients in this order. So after adding cloves and cardamom, add the rockweed. Next, add the black pepper, after adding black pepper, add the fennel seeds. Give 2 minutes gap for adding each ingredients in an order. Last you add the cumin seeds. Cumin seeds always you have to add in the end because cumin seed should not be toasted for a very long time. The very last ingredient is the poppy seed. So after all these ingredients are perfectly roasted, you have to, in the end you have to add the poppy seed. You should not add the poppy seed in the middle or in the first because the poppy seeds will get roasted very fast, very so quickly. So you have to always add the poppy seed in the last. So I am going to add the poppy seed in the end. I am going to roast until the white poppy seed becomes light brown. Now you can see the color of the poppy seed is, it's brown. Can you see it? See the color of the poppy seeds? It's brown. It means all the ingredients are perfectly toasted. It's a dry roasted, and let us cool it for a while, and we are going to blend it in a blender and make it as a powder, coarse powder. That's it. Biryani masala or all-purpose curry powder is done. See, the biryani masala powder is ready to use, and you can store it in a box for up to 1 year. It's a very delicious biryani masala. You can use this for all the non-vegetarian items. This is all-purpose curry powder. Thanks for watching. Try it and tell me how it tastes.